Hello, students. Let's make you smart in maths. Let us study the test of divisibility. First of all, we will study divisibility of 2. If the digit in the units place of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number can be divided by 2. Isn't it easy? You just look at the number and you will find out whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. For example, 60, 32, 74, 96, 18. All of these numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at their units or ones place. So they are all divisible by 2. More examples: 404, 86, 5000, 3216, 7004, 548, 702. Now these all numbers have I4, 6, 0, 8, 2 at their ones place. So they are all divisible by 2 or 9. So first of all, if the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. For example, 450. Now the digits in these examples are 4 plus 5 plus 0, which equals to 9. So we know that 9 can be divided by 3. That's why this number can be divided by 3. Then you can look at another examples: 63, 21, 66. Now there is a bigger number, 4050. You see, if you add up their numbers, they come up to 9. This means this also can be divided by 3. Same is the case for 105. Now divisible by a number divisible by 9. It is same as test for 3, that is, if the sum of the digits of a number is a multiple of 9, the number is divisible by 9. You can see the examples: 909, they sum up to 18, 792, these sum up to 18, 36, this sums up to 9, 504, this sums up to 9. So they are all divisible by 9. Now there is a little bigger number, that is 87. Now there is a bigger number, that is 876546. If you total this up, it comes out to be 36. This number is divisible by 9. Now we have a challenging number, that is divisibility by 11. It says the difference between the sum of the alternate digits of the number is 0 or multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Now I have given you an example. First example is, you can see it is 28,479. If you look at the alternate numbers, as I have drawn the arrows, 2, you have to jump to 4, and from 4 you jump to 9. Then above 1 says 8, and you jump to 7. When you total them up and subtract their sums, it comes out to be 0. So this shows that this number is divisible by 11. Second number, 1661. 1, you jump from 1 to 6, and then above 1 from 6 to 1. Again the addition of sum of the alternate number and then subtract them, it comes out to be 0. Third example, you can see again I have added up the alternate numbers and then subtract their sums, it comes out to be 11. And the fourth one, again the alternate numbers, we add them up and then we subtract their sum, it comes out to be 11. So it is clear now that if the sum of the alternate digits of the number is 0 or multiple of 11, the number can be divided by 11. Isn't it easy for you now? Some resemblance with each other. For 4, If the number formed by the last two digits of a number is a multiple of 4, can be divided by 4, then the number is. Now we are going to study the divisibility by 4, 8, 5 and 10. 4 and 8, they again have some resemblance with each other. For 4, if the number formed by the last two digits of a number is a multiple of 4, can be divided by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. If the number has two zeros at the end, the number is divisible by 4. I have given you the examples: 604, 736, 848, 800, 2000. So these numbers can be divided by 4. For divisibility of 8, the number formed by the last three digits. For 4 it was 2 digits, for 8 it is 3 digits. Or if it has 3 zeros at the end, that is at ones, tens and hundreds place, it is divisible by 8. I have given you the example 2000. It has 3 digits, 3 zeros. 7624, 624, you can check if it is divisible by 8, the number is divisible by 8. 3248, 248, you check out if it is divisible by 8, the number is divisible by 8. Now we come to last but not the least, divisibility by 5 and 10. They again have some resemblance. That is, if the number has 0 at its ones place, it is divisible by 5 and 10 both. If the number has 5 at its ones place, it is divisible by 5. For example, 60, 300, 950, 1000. They have 0 at their ones place, so they can be divided by 5 or 10. 65, 85, 205, 6235. They all have 5 at their ones place, so it is divisible by 5. Thank you.